Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this following video, I will be showing you how you can uninstall multiple applications all at once. So then before getting started, make sure to check your internet connection. In case if you're using an Android device, then you'll not be able to uninstall multiple applications all at once. So then in order to uninstall multiple applications, what you have to do is you'll have to download another application. So for that, head towards your Play Store. So then on the search box, type in Uninstaller. So then as you type in Uninstaller, on the other page you have the result, and you can see that I've already installed the application. As you can see that I've already installed the application, and also you don't have to be specific, you can use any other application that you like. As for this video, I'm using Uninstaller. So once you're done installing, just tap on open. As you tap on open, on the other page you can see that all the application that is installed on your device. So then you'll not be able to uninstall those applications that is inbuilt on your device. Like for example, just tap on system app. So these are all the application that is inbuilt on your device, which means that this application won't be uninstalled. So only those applications will be uninstalled that were downloaded. So you can see that these are all the downloaded application. So in order to uninstall it all at once, all you have to do is select on it. Just tap on the box which is in the left hand side corner, and you can delete as many applications as possible all at once. So once you're done selecting the application that you want to uninstall it, just tap on the bin icon in the bottom right corner. As you tap on the bin icon, automatically all your application will be deleted. So that is how you can delete multiple applications all at once on your device. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.